Stacking and packing at Fat Ninja Farm. Some blackberries here, blueberries here, mint, elderberries, apples, elderberries, wineberries, Shasta berries we just finished harvesting, autumn olives, gooseberries, which the birds are helping finish off, more blackberries hanging off of those, that'll be next, some sochan, gummy berry, ton of figs, another type of apple, sour cherry, more apples, elderberries, gooseberries, figs, yellow raspberries, golden raspberries, black raspberries, another apple, different type of fig, gummy berries, pears, mulberries. What are you doing, Angel? A bunch of repeating ground covers, Shasta berries, Nanking cherries, different ground cherries. This is Nanking. Let alone the flowers that be mixed in. And honeyberries, Asian pear, goji berry, peach. I'm just trying to show the amount of diversity and how thick this is. And it's 8 years old. This is how the forest does it. So we're stacking and we're packing. And that's what the forest does. We're mimicking nature here. Bunch of red raspberries down there. I'm gonna stop naming things and just end here. I'm gonna stand here in the annual garden and do a spin around. So even in the annual garden, which is the small area here, in the long-term annuals where we do storage crops, squash and beans and corn if we did it, and garlic. There's all kinds of perennials mixed in there. Hazelnuts and apples and pears, bush cherries, and their guilds around them. So as these guilds become larger and fill in more and more over the years, we'll need less of these annual garden space. Hope that helps. I'm George. Again, this is Fat Ninja Farm, 8-year-old permaculture designed food forest. Change can be better than a holiday and is overdue. Please start the conversation. Please like, share, and subscribe for sure. Subscriptions are so low and I get so few views. It's not an ego thing. I don't care about the views, but I do care about trying to spread what we're doing here. This is bigger than me. This is more than my actions within. It's flourished more than I ever could have imagined possible, and I'm just trying to share that. Peace. See ya.